and nothing ever will. Tried to stay sober, tried to stay clean. Wake me when it's over, like a bad dream. Mama doesn't come.
You'll find icons in the Insert tab on Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and here in Outlook. You can add a little fun, a little whimsy, a little cake to your messages and docs. Here Katie is using the icons like emojicons on her phone. Her signature even includes icons from the set. These are SVG icons, meaning you can color them, shrink them, enlarge them, and they'll keep their fidelity. They'll look great at any size. You'll find about 500 icons in this set. Just click or tap and use them like other pictures and shapes in your docs. Office 365 subscribers with Visio 2016 can now use website and mobile wireframe templates to sketch and present ideas for their next creations. Tap Templates, Software and Database to find these wireframes for websites and mobile apps. You can either choose a starter diagram or just a blank one. Let's start with a frame shape. Then add a traditional first screen, a login card. Visio makes it easy to move and center shapes in the wireframe. You'll find navigation, text, media, and more specialized stencils with customizable shapes. We'll add a video player and size it down. Add gestures and use Visio's design features to show off your ideas for the next great mobile app.